had the first week.
Yeah, it's pretty low battery, so.
I'm gonna miss the whole thing. How do you feel? In scales. I'm not sure where the plane is.
What were you doing?
It came directly at me. How am I supposed to do anything with that?
You're supposed to catch it.
Catch it with my face?
Yeah.
Sure.
Why not?
You looked like you were gonna go right, then you went left, then you came straight at me.
Well, I'm trying to play the wind. It's really hard. Play it out.
Probably need a man out there catching it, huh? Just can't get it done, huh?
Can you do it?
Next time, just do it.
Okay, this time?
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
Yes.
It's pretty good.
How did that feel?
Oh, great. I thought I was gonna like trip and spike it. Pull the wings off.
You get too excited and you like want to spike it like a football. You're like, yeah.